Chevre steht in the center of Monsey. Let's check out this awesome fitness place called Dee Fitness. Dee Fitness it is. Now, the Pesach here, everybody got to lose some weight. Supposed to meet over here. Let's see where it is. Where is he? No, he's not here. Let's see where the boss is. He is there. We're scheduled to do a vlog now. She's there in Dates in Lamazin. Gym room 2. Who is there? What's so nice? What's so nice? How you doing?
How are you?
How was it?
Amazing, getting stronger every day.
Getting stronger every day.
Oh yeah.
Bench press. Well, you gotta put some more weight on for him. Is this the beginning? You're starting over here. Give him the mic, give a clip clip the mic on over there.
Sure.
Yalla.
Alright, let me show the music and I'm gonna go with him, okay? You can finish up stretching, toe touch all the way down. After the bench press, arm circles is very good to open up the chest all the way to the back. 30 seconds and then you'll be done and I'm gonna go with him. Let's
Amazing,
go.
alright. Zalman, you don't let your clients get away easy. You make them work out here.
No, they gotta work. The goal of our company is when you come in here, this should be your last place on your health, to focus on your health. When you go out of here, you're perfectly healthy. So you come in weak, overweight, or whatever that is you have in mind to work on, and this is the last place that you can ever be, and we're gonna help you with that. So obviously it's hard work. We're not gonna let you off easy. You're gonna be in pain, you're gonna suffer.
No pain,
really,
no gain.
Exactly, you're really going to enjoy it, that's for sure.
Wow.
This is the real work, yeah.
The real deal. So Cole, this place is a beautiful place. How long do you have this open for?
So actually we have 2 locations in Monsey. This location we opened last year. It's the first year anniversary right after Pesach of this location.
Beautiful.
The company's been open for about 8 years, since 2017.
Nice.
We
Dee
launched,
Fitness.
yes.
How do you know Dee Fitness? Like
Yeah, the D about Dee Fitness, it's all about D, the Yiddish word D. It's all about the person's experience, the client's experience, everything around D. It's all about die in mind. It's not about us. It's all about die in mind.
Ja, die has de keuches.
Die has the keuches, die has the courage, and die darfst du stehen.
All right, so let's get involved over here. Gym room number 1.
Gym room
so how does this
number 1.
work? Give me a shtickle, you know.
Sure. So we have 2 locations. This location is mostly for personal training, very small classes, up to 4 people. So we can have clients come in and jeder hat andere goals, will arbeiten, jeder hat andere Sachen. Nicht jeder ist gemacht für personal training. So therefore we have group classes, we have nutrition, and eine von der Sachen that we also offer, we started offering actually last year summer, and it's going pretty popular, is private rentals. People can come in over here, they can rent out the room for an hour, they can bring a friend. It's very convenient, it's very cheap. Time is money. When the guys in a public gym, you did about an hour and a half and you're only working out for about 30 minutes. When you come over here and you rent it out for an hour, you're really working your body for a full hour. So think about that when you want to go to the gym. You have your private space, everything will do. Dressing room, bathroom, in the room.
I like that. Have a bathroom, a dressing room. All the equipment is yours. You don't have to wait for anybody to give you equipment.
Exactly.
It's all here. It's all yours.
Everything is state of the art, very easy to use, very light. It has instructions. And if you don't know of any kind of thing to use, all you can do is the number that we have. You text a picture, how do I do that? And we'll answer you how to do it, for sure.
That's so
we
cool.
can send you a video. So this is the benefit of renting out the space. Obviously, if you're with a trainer, you get the whole package.
Sure.
And then we have classes also. One of the classes, and hopefully we're gonna get time to show the other location, and we're gonna talk about that, beginner classes, but we'll get to that in a second.
Okay.
Give me a second, my client is on the way. I wanna tell him goodbye, so give me just 1 second.
Well, man, just the fact that you're going to tell your client goodbye shows something about you. What's so nice? You leaving already?
I'm leaving, that's it. Finished the workout.
Wow. No, give me a little feedback once I caught you over here. What do you say about this place? Up the mic. Just talking to the mic.
This place is amazing. It's really helping me get in shape, staying strong, staying focused. I like to work out and stay in shape, so this is a great option, to come here based on my personal schedule, to just, they work around my schedule. We have a personal connection with our trainers, and it's just really, really amazing. I love it, and I would recommend it to everybody.
All right, thank you. Zalman, I think I got the picture over here from your client and from everything else I saw over here. This place is the number 1 place to go to for somebody who wants to balance himself nutrition-wise.
We have nutrition. We have, if somebody doesn't want to do any exercise, it's too hard for him, but he wants to lose weight, we have a nutritionist on staff, and it's over the phone. That's how convenient it is. So you can stay home on the couch, Call the nutritionist. She's going to give you a full schedule, a meal plan based on you. We're going to interview you and go through your daily schedule, your weak points, and all that kind of stuff when it comes to eating. So she's going to really help you out with that.
Nice.
And if you decide, hey, I see a little bit results, and you're ready to work out, and you can't do with a personal trainer based on your timing, you can come down, like I said, and rent the space. And one benefit about renting the space and coming down and doing a workout over here, you have a shower, everything.
You come a shower.
In, yes.
If you want
to do it before work and you're afraid the guys aren't going to work schmeckelijk a bissel, take a shower. We have towels, shampoo, body wash, everything provided for you.
It's really cool, really cool. All right, Zalman, wherever we go, we make a Chaim Perlowitz promotion.
So
I need a promotion from you.
Sure. Right now until Lag Boimer.
Okay.
All right? 10% off with the mention of Chaim.
All right, have the mention Chaim Perlowitz show for 10% off. So that means 10% off a session or a rental.
10% off a session. Whatever you take, it's 10% off.
What's the number to call and make and book a session?
845-307-0481. You can message us, WhatsApp us, or send us an email at info@deefitnesscenter.com.
All right.
Looking forward to helping you out.
I'm going to put it on the screen. Check it out. Mit Zalman, mention my name, Dee Fitness. It is Yod Dee Hoste Koiches.
It's all about Dee. Exactly. You have one more thing I want to show you. I want to show you my other location where we have classes over there. And I want to speak about a new class that we're rolling out. And I think it's going to be beneficial for every single one. And especially people who want to start doing exercise, but they're afraid on what to do. And the people who go to the gym and they don't know what to do and they kind of give up in the middle. So this is a beginner class where we're going to really focus on informative, to give a lot of information for people, to help people, to educate them about exercise and what exercise is all about. So let's go to the other location, to the classroom.
And that's where you educate them about it.
Exactly.
People have trauma of exercise because they went when they were young to a gym, they tried doing the exercise and they just like flunked on their face and like, I'm done with this.
And not only when they're young, a lot of people go to the gym that don't know what they're doing. So they go all in. They're excited about it.
And they
go all out.
burnt out as quick as they went in.
Exactly. They feel a lot of pain. They don't know what the pain is and they just give up. So this class is going to go through every single thing. And we're going to really teach you the fundamentals of exercise, of how to stay in shape, how to stay healthy. And it's only going to be a 30-minute class.
All right.
So that's the benefit from it.
So let's go over to your second location. Let's check it out.
All right, Here we are in our second location. This is mostly our classroom. This is where we do our classes.
Nice.
So we have sometimes people want to come in and do a little bit of boxing. They want to give themselves out. We have a boxing over here, boxing glove, punching bag.
Nice.
So with the classes, so obviously we have regular classes that runs twice a week. Right now it's regular health, to stay active. It's a 45-minute class. It's every Monday and Thursday. Then we have end of the week. On Thursday, hopefully we're gonna add another one too, but right now it's end of the week. It's a stress relief class. It's only 30 minutes and it's a maximum of about 8 people. So you get the class to be small, so you get individualized attention from the trainer. The goal of the class is, end of the week you come in, you do a little bit of yoga, a little bit of meditation, a little bit of breath work and muscle stretching as well. So you get 3 of the main things when it comes to like inner work sort of. So you do a little bit of all and it's 30 minutes, you get to calm down, you get to relieve a little bit of stress. And then a new class that I spoke earlier about is a beginner class. It's going to be over here. It's also
all in this location.
All the classes stay over here. It's enough people to fit over here.
Beautiful.
12 comfortable, but we're going to keep it on the smaller end so people are comfortable and get individual attention. So the beginner's class is going to be over here. It's also going to be 30 minutes only, and it's going to happen Monday and Wednesday. Every Monday and Wednesday right after work around 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
6 p.m. right after work.
You come here, you got a beginner workout, and then you can upgrade to,
Once you advance, you can feel you can do a lot of stuff. You have that information. Either you can go on your own gym, or you can rent our space. You can take a personal trainer, or you can do regular classes. With the regular classes is more advanced right now.
Beautiful, Zalman. Wow.
Thank you. Since we're here, let me show you a little bit about this location. This is a little bit.
I love you do everything with class. It's nice.
Yeah, people deserve class, so I give what people deserve.
Nice area here. Beautiful. Wow. So this is basically for the beginner class. It's going to be over here.
Yeah, and this is so we have 2 locations.
Welcome.
It's also one thing about class is it's in Center Muncie. In both locations, people is within walking distance from most Muncie area. So a lot of people actually walk. It's better to walk before a good workout, so you come warmed up. So this is another personal training room, which is you can also rent out. It's a little bit different equipment. So perfect, yeah.
Got it, Zalman. All right, I'm going to check in with you and mention my promotion again. And
Yeah, if you mention Chaim's name, you get 10% from now, from whenever this video comes out until like
All right, Zalman. Thank you so much. And
For
also my
sure.
lechtigen tug.
Thank